Welcome to our NCLEX Crusade International channel, and I want to discuss with you today some questions that some of our students ask when it comes to NCLEX preparation. One question that I get very frequently is, what do I need to focus on? Do I need to focus on content, or do I need to focus on prioritization? The answer is both. In order to pass the NCLEX, you need to know content, but you also need to know how to answer prioritization questions. But Professor, what is the most important? The most important key strategy to pass the NCLEX is to develop the ability to apply nursing content. What is the difference? Well, it is different if you decide to only memorize NCLEX content. You need to develop the ability to apply the nursing knowledge that you have. How do you do it? How do you learn to improve your abilities to apply nursing content? You need to practice questions daily. Now, let's talk about prioritization. How do you develop prioritization skills? The first thing is that you need to know strategies. You need to know a step-by-step process with prioritization strategies. Here, on our YouTube channel, I teach you step-by-step processes that you can use to answer NCLEX prioritization strategies. The other thing is, how do I study content? You need to develop a guideline to follow every single day, where you're learning different type of nursing knowledge. For example, pharmacology, maternity, newborn, pediatrics. You need to know the key content information for the NCLEX. If you want to know more, I welcome you to NCLEX Crusade International, where I will teach you everything you need to know to pass your NCLEX.